Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulihil Kareem. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today I welcome you to the presentation that how we can use technology in math education. So Alhamdulillah, there are different tools that we can use in math education, doing maths or teaching maths. So there is a tool called Wolfram Alpha. MashaAllah, this is a very nice and highly capable tool. It can do many things, not only math but other things also. So you can use this for elementary things like solving equation. You can see here we have solved system of equations. You just type here, enter, and you get solutions. So they are showing you the solutions. Then we can use this Wolfram Alpha to solve puzzles also, math fun puzzles like here addition of two 4-digit numbers, so some digits are missing. So you can of course solve this manually, but you can also use Wolfram Alpha to solve this. So you can check my video titled Solve Missing Digits Math Puzzle Manually and by Computer. So there I showed that how you can use Wolfram Alpha to solve this type of problems. Then it can be used to factorize expressions. Here you can see when you teach the students to do factorization of quadratic expressions, so middle term brackets they can do, and they will get this type of answer. So you can use this to check the solutions. Then for example, you are setting up questions for exam that to factorize a quadratic expression. So to make sure that the students can do that, you can make the answer beforehand, that okay, this will be the answer of the factorization. So you can set in the exam or the question that okay, factorize this expression, x square plus twice x minus 24. So if it is factored, then you will get this answer. So why this is important? Because you can give a question, for example, that this question x square minus 5x plus 7 which has no real roots. So accidentally you can give this question to students, elementary students. They won't be able to factorize this as expected. So you can use Wolfram Alpha to make questions also. It can be used for many different maths. So I'm basically talking about elementary maths. So here for example, rounding, when you teach rounding, so round this number 73 to nearest tens, so the answer should be 70. So you can use this to check and to demonstrate. Then rounding, for example, rounding 234.40 to nearest 2. So this is important. Why? Because for example, this is a practical word problem, like suppose in a country the smallest currency is say 2 taka. So if you have gone to buy something in a shop, and the total bill was 234 taka 40 paisa, so you can give in a currency, the lowest currency is 2 taka, so it should be a multiple of 2. So now how to find that, what you need to pay to the seller? So you can round this to the nearest 2's, and the answer is what, 234. So you need to pay 234 taka. Then so Wolfram Alpha, yes, this is a very powerful tool. You can explore it. It can do many more things. So it was just an elementary demonstration of the capabilities of Wolfram Alpha. Now there is another tool that is called Desmos. Desmos also has many different things. This is for elementary graphings. So you can use Desmos to plot different graphs. So here is a graph of a quadratic function. You can draw graphs like say y equals to x. This is a straight line, and you can show that okay, when you shift the graph say 1 unit above, okay, or say 1 unit to the left, like this. So you can show the students plotting graphs, and say you can ask questions about different points coordinates, okay, in this graph. What is the say vertex, and etc. And you can also use graphs to solve system of equations, etc. So you can do many things with graphs. Desmos can help you to draw nice graphs very easily, mashallah. Then comes another very strong tool that is called Sage Math. So it's a very powerful computer algebra system that can do maths, different types of maths. So why this is this can come to help in some situations. For example, you want to factor a huge number like this, a very very big number. You can see so many digits. So trying to factor this number in our in our tool Wolfram Alpha. So you see that standard computation time exceeded. So it is not giving you the factorized form, but Sage Math on the other hand is very powerful, mashallah. It will show you the number factored, mashallah. It can factorize it very quickly, mashallah. Then so these are tools that you can use for solving problems or some demonstrations. Now come to the some resources that you can use for learning or teaching maths. So my favorite is mathisfun.com. This is mashallah a very nice website which discusses maths, explains maths, different branches of maths very nicely, mashallah. Their language is very easy, very nice explanations are there. You can see different topics are there, you can explore. There is index, you can explore this. Math worksheet, if you are a teacher or student, you can use worksheets. You can give worksheets to your students. So if you're a student, you can use worksheets to exercise after completing certain lessons. Then it has a dictionary, illustrated dictionary, so you can find definition of different terms. So for example, let's click C. So okay, on C it has many different terms. Calculus, okay, let's see what is calculus. Okay, they are showing a nice definition of calculus, okay, with illustration, mashallah. So they have many different articles in this site mathisfun.com. Triangular number sequence, for example, they are showing explaining this concept very nicely, mashallah. You can read this. So practical picture also, some logs, they are forming what triangular numbers. They have nice articles, geometry article, polygons, so starting from the basics, okay, closed figure, open figure, etc. Different types of polygons. So mashallah, very nice explanation. You can explore this. So honeycomb, hexagon, okay. And after that, after the article C, there is questions. You can play quiz. You can give a quiz, take a quiz to check your understanding. So there are questions. So I think there are 10 questions. What do we call a six-sided polygon? I think this should be a hexagon. Yes, well done, alhamdulillah. So they are giving you feedback, mashallah. So there are quizzes also, which is very helpful. They have interactive things also. So interactive quadrilateral. So this is a quadrilateral which has 4 sides. You can show angles, okay, angles, they are varying. Sides, so I think these are the lengths of the sides. Diagonals, okay, reset. All right, so parallelogram, square. Okay, nice square, mashallah. Rectangle. So this square is also rectangle. What can I increase the length? Oh yes, alhamdulillah. Okay, rhombus. Nice rhombus. Trapezoid. What about trapezoid? Trapezoid, two opposite sides should be parallel, these two sides. Okay, kite. Oh, a nice kite, mashallah. Beautiful kite. You can see the symmetry, axis of symmetry. Okay, so it has interactive things also. Okay, what is this? Okay, some and you can skip it. Interactive fractions. So when you teach students about fractions, there is nice pages, mashallah. So slices, how many slices? Okay, so 1 out of 8, 1/8, 1/8. Okay, so you can use this to teach students about fractions. Okay, 4/8, that means half of the pizza. Okay, so interactive fraction, you can see the fraction names are also coming. This is 3/4. Yes, 3/4. 1 2 3/4. Okay, and this is the 1 whole. Okay, so this is mathisfun.com. This is my favorite site, alhamdulillah. I have used this many times, mashallah. I'm really happy with them. They are very helpful to explain maths, mashallah. And there is another site that is called brilliant.org. This is also a very nice site. I used this long time ago. This is, you can say, they are saying that the best way to learn math and computer science. Okay, this is their claim. Hopefully they are honest and true to this claim. So you can also use this brilliant.org. You can explore this for different things, to learn different things better, inshallah. So this was my presentation about how to use technology in math education. You can use mathisfun.com, explore mathisfun.com, the site, to learn about many different topics of maths. You can use tools like Wolfram Alpha, Sage or Desmos in math education. So hopefully it will be helpful for us, inshallah. So jazakumullah khairan. Let's end. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika ashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.